Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is not about this CurlsCurls lace frontal wig right here. The hair came in this gorgeous black packaging, and I'm just going to show you guys how I install the hair without any glue or gel. All I used to install this hair is actually just the elastic band that was installed in the wig cap. That's it. That is it, and the hair is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, guys. Look at that, straight from the box. The curls are popping. I love the fact that the construction of the cap is very neat and very sleek. You already know that this is professionally sewed in a way that, you know, the customization is just amazing. I love the cap of the wig. I love the fact that everything has been done for you straight from the box. This wig is definitely beginner friendly. That's the more reason why I chose not to go for any glue or gel to install this hair. All I did was just apply my glue on my air tab just to secure that bit, because no matter what wig I'm wearing, my air tab is always lifting, so I only glue down my air tab. But for the rest of my head, I actually didn't use any glue or gel. I used the elastic band to secure the hair, which I am loving right now. The video is very simple. It's exactly how you go about your life, your wig, without any glue or gel, and you'll be good to go. I was able to style this hair in a very nice way without any glue or gel whatsoever. And voila, look at that. Nothing, no spray, no nothing, just my hair tab, and the curls are popping. I love the construction of the cap of this wig. I love the fact that anyone can actually install this hair. Anyone, no matter how novice you are when it comes to wig, you definitely be able to install this hair. I love the quality of this hair. You guys don't need any stress at all. The knot has been bleached straight from the box, the hairline has been plucked straight from the box, and the hair also comes with baby hairs around the perimeters of it. So everything has been done. It's just a kind of beginner friendly hair, if I may say so. Yeah, I love this brand. I love the fact that the quality of the hair is always top notch. I love the fact that the hair took the curls really well, and the curls are popping. You can wear the hair dry, you can wear the hair wet. Stay tuned for my review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this CurlsCurls lace frontal wig I'm wearing right now, guys. I am loving it. As you guys can tell, I've been rocking this hair, enjoying it, like feeling it, like I am loving it. Seriously loving this hair. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the curls were popping straight from the box. I love the curls of this hair. Straight from the box, I've been a huge fan. Like, I love it. Everything has been done for you straight from the box. You don't have to worry yourself about customizing your wig. The lace has been pre-plucked straight from the box. The hair comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, and also the knots has been bleached for you guys. And to top it all up, the hair also comes with an elastic strap. Like, guys, what else do you want? Everything has been done for you. I really love the construction of the cap of this wig. It's very neat, very sleek. The fact that they pay attention to details when it comes to construction of their cap. And I also love the fact that it's customized with my name on it. That for me is just amazing. For someone like me that have loads of wigs, I'll be able to differentiate which one is from CurlsCurls. So that is just amazing. That is just perfection for me. Like, seriously, having your name customized on your wig is one of those unique qualities that I really love about this wig. I really enjoy styling this hair because I had no issues at all. There has been no shedding, no tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience anything of such. No tangling, no shedding, no nasty smell as well. So I am loving this hair. I love the fact that the hair is full from the top to the brim. I also love the fact that the curls were the same throughout the length of the hair. The curls were actually the same. I love the curl pattern. I love the fact that the hair is so soft and very silky to touch. Look at that. Very full, very silky, and very bouncy. I love it. Look at that. I'm feeling myself very like that. You don't need any glue or gel to install the hair. The elastic strap in the cap, or use the elastic band that was sewn on the wig, so you have amazing option to secure your hair without having to reach for glue or gel. The time that wear your natural hair and you're looking for a protective style that would look similar to your natural hair, I would definitely recommend that you check out CurlsCurls. And if you guys don't know CurlsCurls are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They specialize mostly on natural hair type of wig, if that makes sense. The time that you like to wear a natural hair but you need a protective style that is similar to your natural hair, then I would recommend that you check out CurlsCurls, because they have all types of hair textures, 4C, 4B, just name all those textures of natural hair. They have it on their website with different lengths and different, you know, textures. That is one of the amazing things that I really love about this brand. All types of hair, they cater for all types of natural hair and texture on their website. So if you go on their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. I highly recommend this hair for someone that have this kind of hair texture. I'm not very good with that texture numbers and all of that, those things, but the point is, it's very similar to my own natural curly hair. So I like the fact that, you know, it's like my hair but longer and fuller, which is one of those things I like about this hair. I like the quality of the hair, I love the texture of the hair, and I love the fact that the hair does not tangle or mat up or have any nasty smell to it. Another thing I like about this hair is the lace of the hair, guys. The lace of the hair is very soft and very easy to work with. I love the fact that the lace melted into my skin without any stress or pressure at all. So that's one of the amazing things I like about this hair. I'm actually wearing the hair without any glue, so you can actually secure your hair. Look at that. You can secure your hair without any glue or gel. I use the elastic band to secure the hair, but my, you know, hair tab is always lifting, so I decided to glue that down just for, you know, security purpose. But apart from that, you can actually secure your hair without any glue or gel. Another thing I like about this brand is their shipping, guys. Their shipping was really quick, exactly 4 days to get to me in the UK, which is really amazing. So would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely, I would definitely recommend CurlsCurls hair. In terms of the quality of the hair, is AA+ for me. In terms of their shipping, it's definitely AA+ for me. And in terms of how easy it is to style this hair, no shedding, no tangling whatsoever, it's definitely AA+ for me. And in terms of their shipping, it's definitely AA+ for me. I would definitely recommend that you guys check out CurlsCurls for all your amazing quality hair at affordable prices, natural types and textures on their website. So yeah, can I assure you guys that you definitely get something for you and your loved ones. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.